I know back to school shopping will have some of you all stressed about money, but here's the thing. On Sunday, August 24th, we're about to bless hundreds of families. My personal barber, Way Too Sharp Barbershop, and AO Enterprise, myself, are giving away free, fresh haircuts for kids. I said it, free. Also, backpacks filled with school supplies. Free food provided by Flavor to Food Truck, bounce houses, live DJ, and so much more with the grand prize of laptops. Now these are going to go fast. These are first come, first served. And so on Sunday from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. at Way Too Shop Barbershop off of 7091 Berry Road in Accokeek, Maryland, I want you there. And I want to be real with you. Your kids deserve to walk into the classroom feeling like the kings and the queens they are. Don't let them start unprepared when we're literally handing out for free everything they need to get started. We want to help you. We want to be a blessing. So bring your kids, tell your friends and family, and let's show up as a community on August 24th. Let's have some fun. Let's get some fresh haircuts and start this school year off correct. I'll see you all August 24th at 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Check the show notes for the address again. God bless.
Now, I want to give you the top 10 jobs that are at risk right now. Meaning AI can already do what most of the people do on this particular job. Number one, and this is a big one, interpreters and translators. We're talking 98% of their work overlapping with what AI can do. 98%. Then you have historians, passenger attendants, sales representatives for services, writers, watch this, and authors, customer service representatives, CNC tool programmers, telephone operators, ticket agents, travel clerks, broadcast announcers, watch this, radio DJs. Now, if you're looking at this list, if you heard something that's in your field and your job is in that list, I don't want you to panic. But also don't ignore this. Here's the pattern I want you to see. If your job is predictable, repetitive, or purely information-based, three main things, and I'm going to say this one more time. If it's predictable, if it's repetitive, or purely informational-based, AI can probably do it faster and cheaper. Here's what Jensen, the CEO of NVIDIA, said to his company. You're not going to lose your job to AI, but you're going to lose your job to someone who uses AI. I'm gonna say it one more time. AI is not going to take your job. The computer is not going to take your job. Artificial intelligence is not going to take your job. I told it to my team. I said, y'all, if we don't use AI, we will lose this business. You're going to lose your job to someone and to businesses. Well, I'm going to say it like this. You're going to lose your job to someone who uses AI to do your job position faster and cheaper. You're going to lose your business, your small business, your side business, to someone who uses AI and can do what your business provides cheaper and faster.
All right, fam, let me keep it real with you for a quick minute here. Most career change programs, they promise you the world, and then they leave you hanging. But this QA bootcamp I'm about to tell you about, I'm gonna be real with you up front. It's going to take about 20 weeks of hard work, studying after your day job, pushing through when you want to quit. But this is the fastest, most legit path I found to go from whatever you're making now to $85,000 plus working from home in tech. 100% no coding required. You see, Careerist has over 1,300 graduates now working for companies like Google, Apple, Amazon, and even Disney. Their program is ranked #1 by Course Report. And here's what I love. They don't just train you and leave you. They coach you until you actually get a job. You see, one of my friends, Mike, went from working 90 hours a week, making $63,000 a year, to making $98,000 plus in commission working from home. Sarah, single mom, went from retail to $95,000 a year as a QA supervisor. These are not special people. They just made a decision to stick to it for 20 weeks, and it changed their life. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics projects that there will be a 25% growth in QA jobs by 2032. And companies are in desperate need of QA professionals because when their system goes down, they lose millions. So if you're tired of being underpaid and you want a recession-proof career that lets you work from anywhere, not just home, but even on the beach, do not wait. Every day you delay is another day someone else is getting the training you need. I want you to visit AnthonyONeal.com/QA. Again, that is AnthonyONeal.com/QA to sign up today. It's going to change your life. I promise you.
Because this is key for everyone. If you don't know AI, if you're not using AI, if you're not studying AI, you will be in trouble. Because companies like Shopify, Duolingo, and Fiverr, they are not waiting around. They are already requiring their employees to use some form of AI. Some of their CEOs have said they'll only hire new people if the job absolutely cannot be automated. I've recently had a transition. I was like, well, I'm not about to sit here and pay another $75,000 a year. I'm just gonna get it automated. Why? Automation would cost me $1,000 a month. I was paying this particular person $7,000 a month. Now, what? Why? I've had transitions in my company. AI. I started doing research. What can AI do? So here's my question for you. What percentage of your daily work involves gathering information, writing emails, or doing routine tasks that follow the same pattern every single time? Because if it's a lot, you need to keep listening. Because before some of you all start your resume and updating your resume and start panicking, let me tell you about the jobs that AI can't easily replace. AI cannot do this. And this is where the opportunity is, family. Again, we got to start thinking about the future. We have to start using how do we partner with AI and get prepared for the future. The jobs that are most AI safe require creativity, emotional intelligence, and that human touch that you just can't replicate with a code. Here's the very first category: healthcare and skilled trades. We're talking about nurses, healthcare workers, people who provide direct patient care. Why? Because when you're sick, when you're scared, when you're vulnerable, you need compassion. You need someone who can read your emotions, who can comfort you, who can make decisions based on more than just data. AI can't hold your hand when you're getting bad news. AI can't come in there and hold your hand and pray with you after your surgery or before your surgery. AI can't give you that warm feeling that you need. And don't sleep on skilled trades: plumbing, AC, heating, construction, barbering. These require complex hands-on skills that AI just can't replicate in the real world. A robot can't fix your pipes when they burst at 2 a.m. in the morning. AI can't cut your hair and give you that nice crisp line and make you feel good about yourself while you're sitting in a chair.